Sabi tagal ko na hindi nakalimutan ng soft drink.
Wow!
Rainy days? Kulang.
Wow!
I have you?
The only.
Close to you. Yes. Close to you ba? Close to you. Ano ba yun? Goodbye na lang. Yes.
No, it'd be too long. So we cut it up into about 4-hour chunks.
4 hours from there and then going back.
No. The way we came back, because the rain had finished, we came back up the...
Today, thank you for the fellowship and thank you, Lord, for the food that we are about to partake. Thank you, Lord, for all the hands that has prepared this food. Thank you also for Tita Helen for preparing your house that dito namin gawin namin fellowship.
Record ka, te?
O, tingin!
Parang hindi kumain, no?
Yung ano mo ka? Yung agad siya. Meron talaga siya doon. Para matuto silang makita sa inyo. Pamalitan muna ako.
Ay, kabagay.
Pangako ko sila kung nandito. Meron silang tig-isang kwarto.
Ganda naman ang lahi.
Didiskusyon kami dito.
Hello? Sharon.
Iwan ko muna bang hindi ko muna dyan.
Sobrang busy talaga pag ganitong buwan. So, meron naman kaming family bonfire. Ginanap ito sa aming kaibigan na si Novi at si Karsten.
Ayan na si Gemma.
At syempre, hindi lang bonfire, meron din silang game area dito sa bahay nila para din sa mga bata. At para mag-enjoy din sila habang yung iba naman ay nagba-barbecue. At may nagluluto sa loob, yan si Novi at saka si Ate Ellen. So nagluto sila ng beef. Ayan, si Adring nag-start na siyang magsugba. Ito naman yung iba, si Dante, nag-start na rin para sa bonfire. Actually, kumuha lang siya ng apoy para sa barbecue. Ito sila, mga Australian kasama namin. Gustong-gusto nila yung style bonfire. Ito naman si Dr. Mel, ang brother-in-law ko, at saka si Sunny. May dala-dala silang mga pagkain. At dumating din si Carlin kasama si Alec. At ito si Novi, yung host namin, preparing the food.
The chef now? Yes. Okay, you go boy. You got somebody helping already? That's good. Oh, look at that.
At ito, parating na rin ang ibang mga bisita. Ang saya.
Grabe, nagluto pa. Ang dami na madami natin. Ang dami ni sa Sharon.
Wala yung no, you don't. You said that was okay. He doesn't know the rules. No, give me a break. He doesn't know the rules. I better set your break. I got done right. What the heck? Nah, I got. Okay. 4 years ago. Like I always.
How did they escape?
This is how to instantly toast your marshmallows. Put them in the fire. Toast them.